Let's walk through this step by step. Bitcoin's getting chopped up right here, and we need to break down what's happening with support, resistance, and volume to understand where we're headed next. Starting with support levels, we're currently holding that $77,000 zone, but it's looking shaky. The real critical level everyone's watching is $76,000. If we lose that, it opens the door to a much deeper correction down to $74,000. Looking at the liquidation map, there's a ton of long positions sitting around $76,000 that'll get wicked through if bears push harder. Below that, we've got major support zones at $65,000 and potentially down to $61,000 if this weekly bearish engulfing pattern plays out like it has historically. On the resistance side, Bitcoin's struggling hard below $80,000, and that's telling us a lot. The immediate resistance we need to crack is $77,800. That's our line in the sand for any bullish continuation. Above that, we're looking at $79,000, then that big psychological level at $80,000 where shorts are probably getting nervous. There's also a massive bearish order block sitting between $94,000 and $98,000, so getting there would be a serious task for the bulls. Now, let's talk volume and flows, because this is where it gets interesting. ETF outflows are absolutely crushing us right now, topping $2 billion with a 4-day streak. That's institutional demand cooling off big time. But here's the thing. Long-term holders are still stacking, with supply hitting near record levels at 16.3 million Bitcoin. That's smart money showing conviction, even while we're seeing $600 million in realized losses from some whales moving into distribution mode. The technical picture shows we're trying to find footing around the 50-day EMA, but momentum is clearly fading. We just printed a bearish engulfing on the weekly that historically points to deeper corrections. Mixed with ETF outflows and less aggressive demand overall, we could be looking at months of consolidation or that drop towards $65,000. For trade setups, if bulls want to take control, they need to reclaim $77,800 with real conviction, targeting $79,000 with stops below $77,000. On the flip side, a clear break and retest failure of $76,000 gives bears a shot at $74,000 with stops above $77,000. That sums it up.